Good day, everyone. We are the Group 8 and we are excited to present to you our business concept, which is the Panahon Cafe. Let's begin with our official branding, Panahon Cafe. The name Panahon reflects times, seasons, and moments aligning with our theme of offering a comforting pause in your day. Below is our cafe layout. We've carefully designed this to enhance the customer experience. A cozy coffee shop are for dine-in customers, an efficient order area to streamline service, a functional kitchen for smooth back-end operation. The layout prioritizes both customers' comfort and staff efficiency, ensuring a welcoming and enjoyable experience for all. Our cafe will be located in Harmony Home Subdivision, Villa Angelina, Barangay San Isidro, Angono, Rizal, Philippines. This location offers a peaceful yet accessible environment that matches our cozy and welcoming concept. Now, let me introduce to you to the organizational chart. On the left, we have our cashier, me, myself, and who will be the responsible for handling transaction and assisting customer at the front. In the middle is our service or helper, which is Nona, who will ensure the cleanliness, service, quality, and support in daily operation. And on the right is our manager, who is Morta, who will oversee the entire cafe operation, including staff or coordination, inventory, and customer satisfaction. Each of us plays a vital role in delivering the Panahon Cafe experience. And now, let's proceed to our vision at Panahon Cafe. Our vision is to become a warm and welcoming haven where every cup of coffee brings comfort, connection, and a sense of belonging, whether it's a bright morning or a quiet evening. We aim to offer not just coffee but meaningful experience that stay with our customers beyond the last sip. Mission is we believe that every cup is an invitation to slow down and savor the moment, crafted with care using quality ingredients. Panahon Cafe offers more than just drinks. It is a retreat where people can connect, reflect, or simply enjoy peace in the rhythm of everyday life. Our goal is to provide exceptional coffee and a cozy community space. We aim to celebrate the changing seasons of life with our patrons, support local initiatives, and promote sustainability in all aspects of our business. Now, let's move on to our target market. Our target market includes students, young professionals, coffee lovers and creatives, social media actives, individuals, and people looking for a comforting and cozy ambience. The time operation, we will operate from Monday to Saturday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., giving our customer a space to unwind throughout the day. Our next reporter is Miss Nona.
Mera speaking, for the our type operation, dining cafe, customer can enjoy their drinks and food inside the cafe. In warm, cozy, and atmosphere, the space is designed for comfort, ideal for relaxing, studying, or spending time with friends. For the type of function, food and beverage service, our main function is to provide quality coffee, tea, and snacks made with care and creativity. For the community and social space, we want to create a welcoming environment where people can meet, talk, and build connection. And the last, study and work friendly environment. The cafe also supports students and professionals by offering a peaceful space where they can focus, read, or do online work very comfortable. Next slide. For our menu is crafted to match the cozy and calming theme of Panahon Cafe. We focus on comfort drinks like coffee, tea, and possibly seasonal drinks like hot chocolate or citrus blends. We also plan to include snacks or pastries that pair well with beverages. Everything is made using quality ingredients that suit any weather. Whether you want something warm on rainy day or something refreshing on a sunny one. Next slide. Our color scheme, um, our cafe color palette is inspired by nature and the calming effects of different weather and times of the day. Um, it represents daylight and brings a calm and airy feel. Warm beige gives warmth and familiarity like a sunny afternoon. Muted tan reminds of milk coffee, giving comfort and softness. Earthy brown, inspired by natural wood and roasted coffee, adding richness. Dark chocolate brown gives a strong, cozy, and grounded vibe. These colors work together to create a warm, relaxing atmosphere that fits all kinds of moods. Next slide. Our lighting is designed to enhance comfort and reflect the concept of panahon or different times and moods. Warm ambient lighting will use a warm white LED lights to keep a cozy vibe. Natural light maximization. During the day, will let sunlight into create a fresh and welcoming environment. Accent lights. Features like sunbeam-inspired lamps or cloud-like design will bring personality and match the weather theme. And last, table and floor lamps with rattan or wooden shades to create soft lighting on tables and corners for reading or relaxing. Next. For the acoustic noise and music, we'll use of soft music like acoustic, lo-fi, and ambient instrumentals to create a peaceful atmosphere. Sound-absorbing furniture and noise control techniques will keep the environment calm and comfortable for conversation or studying. Okay, next reporter, Marta.
Temperature control refers to how heating and cooling systems are used to maintain and a consistent and pleasant atmosphere. A well-regulated temperature enhances guest comfort and supports intended mood and space cooler temperatures for a crisp, clean feel and warmer ones for a cozy, intimate vibe. A scent, a scent adds an invisible but powerful layer to ambience, whether it's subtle hits of essential oils, baked goods, florals, and earthy tones. Cur- uh, Crotted scent reinforce the theme. For example, a warm vanilla or sandalwood scent might invoke calmness and warmth, aligning with organic and rustic aesthetics. Furniture is a simple functional, ayan okay lang dito. Simple functional and made with natural materials like wood or rattan to reflect an organic and calming style. Next. Appointment. This refers to all the items placed on the table during a service or display contributing to the overall aesthetic and functional. Okay. Flatwares, plates and charges, glassware for water and wine, etc. Napkins and rings if used as centerpiece or decorative assets. These elements should be cohesive with the theme in your case, likely warm, earthy, and minimalistic, consistent with the beige and brown organic palette. Next. Types of chairs. Chairs play both functional and visual role in a play setup. Wooden chairs often used in organic or rustic styles. Their texture and finish complement natural tones and materials. Rattan or woven chairs, added made earthy feel, are lightweight and stylish. Ah, up salted chairs and neutral tones provide comfort while keeping with soft muted palette. Minimalist metal frame chairs can add modern contrast while still blending in through color coordination. Next, concrete. Build in round table around a tree. Design organic round concrete stone table in encircling a planted tree. Dimensions custom tree dependent. Chair type built in a circular concrete bench or matching wooden stools. Vibe casual, refreshing, or outdoor dining in natural surroundings. Long high table, bar table. Design long slim bar, high table in metal frame and wooden top. Dimension 250 in 635 cm, L LX 16 in 40 cm, IVX 41.5 in 105 cmh. Chair type. Bar stool. Chair. High seat with backrest and on footrest cushions. Vibe. Modern, dynamic, ideal for busy, busy, yes, busy areas. Okay. Round table with wooden cross legs. Design classic round table supported by cross-shaped wooden legs. Dimension diameter 1,420 mm x by standard height, approx 750. Chair type, standing dining chair ergonomic. Next. Okay, mood board. Top left, beige linen tablecloth and neutral. Uy, next. Ayan. A beige table seat setting, neutral and soft, wooden rattan chair, rustic and cozy, dried flowers. Doon tayo sa may dried flowers. Dried flowers, calm and elegant, wooden table, minimal and warm, candlelight, cozy mood. Color palette, earthy and soothing. Next. Yeah. Next reporter. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for listening, and that's all.